Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to make something from the new Deadpool movie. I recently watched it, and Ryan Reynolds, you are hilarious. It is by far my favorite Marvel movie of all times. It's even better than the first Deadpool. And I was watching the movie, and I thought there's something pretty cool in that I'd like to build. The mutant inhibitor collar that the mutants wear so that their powers are deactivated, basically. I saw that and I was like, I gotta make one. So, we are going to make the mutant inhibitor collars from Deadpool 2 using EVA foam and craft foam. Let's get to building. we are finished. Here is the end result. Very pleased with the way it turned out. I was going to add lights in there, but the light was too close to the surface and it didn't look right, so I just didn't put one in there, and instead I put like a little film over the top of it. But you could put lights in there. In my template, it makes it to where you could put a light in it. But I made mine adjustable. That's why you see the extra foam and the little snappy buckle here. Just so if I decide to sell it on my Etsy store, which is opening soon, you could buy it and have a fat neck or a skinny neck. It does fit on me at the current size, fairly snug. And it's pretty comfortable. It's not too bad because it's made out of foam and all that's touching you is foam. It's pretty comfy. It is kind of like wearing a neck brace a little bit though. But overall, not too bad. Pretty simple. With the templates I included in the description, should be a fairly simple build even for beginners. And hopefully everything's clearly labeled and makes sense and you can follow the video and build your own. But maybe you will try and make one of these and impress your friends so much so that they run from you because they're afraid that you're going to put one of these collars on them and inhibit their mutant abilities and thereby leave them normal. Not cool. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're going to ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I gotta get this thing off because my special mutant ability of watching TV is getting inhibited. Peace out!